All the best. Most popular product on Amazon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review the LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifiers for bedroom, which is a cool mist humidifier that can help you improve the air quality and comfort of your home. This humidifier is from LEVOIT, a brand that is known for its high quality and innovative products. Product links are provided in the description below. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is the design of this humidifier. It has a sleek and modern look, with a white color and a blue LED light. It has a large water tank of 2.5 liters, which can last up to 25 hours on low mist setting. The best feature of this humidifier is the easy top fill design, which means you don't have to flip the tank over or worry about spilling water all over the place. You can just remove the cover and easily fill the tank with a pitcher or a faucet. It also has a knob control, which allows you to adjust the mist output and the direction of the 360-degree nozzle. You can enjoy full control of your air humidifier. The second thing I want to show you is the performance of this humidifier. It has a quiet operation, with a noise level as low as 26 decibels, which is perfect for sleeping. It also has an auto shut-off feature and a BPA-free material, which makes it safe and reliable. The soothing moisture helps quickly relieve congestion and dry throat, and it also helps to moisturize your skin and hair. You can also use it as an aroma diffuser by adding your favorite essential oils to the base. This humidifier is ideal for small to medium-sized rooms, such as bedrooms, nurseries, and offices. The third thing I want to show you is the maintenance of this humidifier. It is very easy to clean, thanks to the big opening of the tank and the simple construction of the base. You can easily access the inside of the tank and the base, and wipe them with a cloth or a brush. You can also use vinegar or bleach to disinfect the tank and the base, and rinse them thoroughly. You should clean the humidifier at least once a week, to prevent mold and bacteria growth. Maintaining health has never been this easy. If you are interested in buying this humidifier, you can find the link in the description box below. So, there you have it. The LEVOIT Top Fill Humidifiers are the perfect addition to your bedroom, providing you with the ultimate moisture experience. Give it a try and make your indoor air a little more comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.